So every generation has blamed the one before, and all of their frustration can beat on your door. I know that I'm a prisoner to all my father held so dear. I know that I'm a hostage to all his hopes and fears. I wish I could have told him in the living years. I crumble bits of paper filled with impact song. So still the conversation, I'm afraid that's all we've got. You say you just see it, you say it's imperfect sense. You just can't get agreement in this present tense. We're talking different language, talking in defense. Saying loud, saying clear. You can listen as well as you hear. It's too late when we die to admit we don't see it eye to eye. So we open up a quarrel between the present and the past. We only sacrifice the future. It's the bitterness that lasts. So don't yield to the fortune. You sometimes see its fate. It may have a new perspective on a different day. And if you don't give up, you don't give up. You may just say it's okay. Say it loud, say it clear. You can listen as well as you hear. It's too late when we die, oh, when we die, to admit we don't see it eye to eye. Wasn't there that morning when my father passed away? I didn't get to tell him all the things I had to say. I think I caught his spirit later that same year. Sure, I heard his echo in my baby newborn tears. It's just that's when I called him in the living years. Say it loud, say it loud. Oh, just say it clear. You can listen as well as you hear. You know it's late. Oh, when we die. it's too late when we die to admit we don't see it eye to eye. Und jetzt mal ein bisschen lauter hier. Und oh, say it loud. Oh, sing glee. You can listen as well as you hear. But when you hear, it's too late. It's too late when we die to admit we don't see it. Oh, eye to eye. Oh, say it loud. Oh, say it, yeah, yeah. You can listen as well as you hear. Got no less to lay. Oh, when we die, yeah. To admit I don't see it, I do, and to admit we don't see it, I do, whoa, to admit we don't see it, I do. I